23 Battalion of CRPF, which is located at Karan Nagar. There was the sentry at the post observed some suspicious movement in the VR, and accordingly he challenged those individuals. Once they were challenged, so they retreat from that place. That way the attack which was planned was repulsed. Subsequently there was a cordon and search. The area was cordoned, and CRPF and police cordoned the entire area. They started searching the houses. While the search was going on, from one location, which was a under construction building, 5-storied building, in that building there was some firing, and then the area was immediately cordoned up. In the initial exchange of fire, one CRPF personnel attained martyrdom, but subsequently the operation was taken over, and we carried the operation. At the end of the operation, 2 terrorists have been killed. Arms and ammunition were recovered, and whatever we have got from the preliminary things, it is Lashkar-e-Toiba outfit, and the materials, the incriminating materials which we have recovered, that suggests that they are from Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorist outfit. And so one JKP constable sustained a minor bullet injury. He is absolutely out of danger. He is being treated at SMHS hospital. Since the operation was in a very congested locality, and a lot of civilian population was around, so while the operation was planned, immediately all the civilian population was removed from the area, and we thank the citizens of Srinagar city. They cooperated with us, and as a result the entire area was vacated. The community also, because of the help of the community, we could take out the civilians from the